Hey there, Cary homeowners. This is Nina Gervasi, top producing real estate agent here in Cary, North Carolina. Here today to give you a little bit of a housing report for March 2025 so that if you are considering selling your home, you can understand the median days on market as well as the average sales prices for 3 specific zip codes. We will compare 27519, 27513, and 27518. And I am reading off of a sheet, so please be patient with me. Let's start with 27519, which is known as West Cary. In this area, the median days on market were 25. The average sales price was $721,000, give or take a little bit, and this is a 2.6% increase over last year. So this indicates a balanced market in this area because of the days on market and the high sales price. Let's move on to 27513. Pretty much central Cary. Here, the median days on market were only 8, and the average sales price is $575,000, give or take a little bit, and that is a 1.2% increase over last year. So the rapid movement really indicates that this really still is a seller's market in this area. Now, when we move to 27518, this is South Cary. The median days on market here are even less, 7 days. And the average sales price was about $736,000, give or take a little bit. And this is a 3.5% increase over last year. South Cary can be very popular because it has a lot more land associated with each home. In this area, once again, we will consider it a seller's market. So let's review just once again. 27519, median days on market, 25, average home sale price, 721, give or take a little bit. 27513, median days on market, 8, and the average home value was set $575, give or take a little bit. And in 27518, median days on market are 7, average home sale price $736,000, give or take a little bit. So hopefully understanding these numbers will give you a better understanding of what it will take to sell your home. We will work together side by side to really look at your specific neighborhood to figure out how many days the houses are sitting there. What are the types of houses that are selling? Are they renovated or are they selling as is? Not too often. And then be able to come up with a value for your home. So if you're interested in learning more, please leave a comment below or send me a message and I will be happy to help you. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.